Bills are the formal documents that you send to your clients that list services and expenses you are charging to the client, balances due to you, and payments received. This training video will cover the basics of printing a bill for a client. Before printing bills, we should review client information that can affect the bill. From the Manage Names topic of the Navigator, open the client list, and then open Client Hopper. The General page will show the client's billing address. This address will appear at the top of the bill. The Arrangement 1 page specifies how Hopper will be billed. You can set up billing arrangements for time charges and expense charges. In this example, we will bill Hopper charges from the slips. The Arrangement 2 page includes other settings related to billing. For example, if taxes are charged, if you round up values on time slips, if you charge interest on overdue balances, or if this client receives copies of bills by email. The Layout page determines which bill layout you will use to format the printed bill. You can select a layout from the list, or you can open a layout to customize it. Save any changes and close client information. Before printing bills, you should use the Billing Assistant to review details of the next bill for the client. Switch to the Prepare Billing topic and click Billing Assistant. Select Client Hopper. The Bill Overview provides a summary of charges that will appear on the client's next bill. You can click on any fields colored blue to see more detail about that amount. When you have finished reviewing details, close the Billing Assistant. We are now ready to print a bill. Click Generate Bills to begin this process. You can use the Report Entry dialog box to set up the bill run. On the Selection Filters page, you can choose which clients and which records to include on the bill run. In this example, we will print a bill for only Client Hopper. So we will add a client selection filter and mark that client. Click OK to accept this filter, and it will appear on the Selection Filters page. Switch to the Sort and Subtotal page. You can use this page to determine how records on the bill will be sorted. By default, slips are sorted by slip date and then by slip ID. We won't change these settings. Click Options to view additional options that can affect the bill run. For example, you can check spelling and grammar before printing the bill. You can print files that are attached to slips, or you can print an invoice number listing with the bill run. We won't change any of these options. You can also choose where to print the bill run. For example, you can print bills to a specific printer, to an RTF file that you can edit, or to a PDF file. In this example, we will print the bill to display. Click Print to display Hopper's bill. You can switch the view to zoom out so you can see more of the bill at once. You can use the buttons at the bottom of the window to move through the bill. For example, you can click More to display more of the current page, or use the arrow buttons to move to another page of the bill. When previewing the bill on the display, you can click on Bill Data to review the source of the charges or change the record. For example, you can review or edit a time slip, or click on a specific field to drill down to the source field. In this example, after previewing the bill, we want to print a hard copy of it. After the bill is printed, you can put the bill in proof stage while you review it, or you can approve it immediately. We suggest that you put bills in proof stage so you can make sure the printouts are correct. After reviewing the printouts, you can switch to the Finished Billing topic and approve bills. Choose the bills to approve and click Approve.